Somebody's calling RoboTots. It's Chase.
As a member of the PAW Patrol, I've learned that everything is better when we work together. PAW Patrol is on a roll!
Hey there, if you saw our last video, we talked about the new character in the new PAW Patrol movie, and she lives in Adventure City. The pups need our help to get to Adventure City. Help us with this pattern. Red, blue, pink. Red, blue, pink. Red, blue. What comes next? Pink. Good job.
PAW Patrol, what's your emergency?
My name is Liberty. We need your help. Humdinger, he's going to destroy Adventure City.
The pups found Liberty, and we found the new toy. Liberty is a special toy sold only at Target. Check her out.
Get out of the way! Move! You gotta know how to talk to people.
Liberty has golden fur and short little legs. How many legs does a dog have? 4, that's right. Now she has something special on her head for protection. A helmet, that's right. A helmet protects her head and keeps her safe. Make sure to wear your helmet, especially when you're on a scooter like this. Liberty is a special color called coral. Let's see what colors mix together to make coral. Red, yellow, and white. Just like coral in the ocean.
It's a beautiful thing.
Liberty has a special number on her pup pack and her scooter. Can you find the number 22? I'll give you a hint. It has 2 2s in it. You got it. Do you want to unbox this toy? PAW Patrol on a roll.
Hello kids. Today we're opening Liberty. Do you know what she can do? I say no.
No? What can she do?
Wait, Mom. It actually spins when I roll it.
Wow, that's super cool. Let's go to the box.
There's 2 yellow buttons. There's one in the front and one in the back. And this is how you shoot.
Wow! And then push that yellow button. Whoa, it's a blaster.
And look what she does. The fire spins. And kids, you better be careful riding a motorcycle like Liberty is. Wear a helmet. Liberty reporting for duty. PAW Patrol is on a roll.
Do you like watching PAW Patrol?
Yes.
I've heard that you've been doing a awesome job helping out at home. And I just wanted to say, keep up the good work. And as a special treat, you're going to see PAW Patrol, the movie.
Okay.
Can you give me your best pup bark? That was great. Well, I gotta get going. Adventure City needs us. Time to take to the sky. This puppy's gotta fly.
A dog?
Actually, sir, I'm a puppy.
That's even worse.
You're in shock, so I'm not gonna take that personally.
So check out this new Spin Master toy sold exclusively at Target. Thanks for watching RoboTots.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to RoboTots for more kids learning videos like this.